Really so sorry. Okay, Marco, I would like to ask some of you to enter get back to their lounge.
Magpapalit pa rin po ako, mami.
Thank you.
Napakainit po nito eh.
I'm really so sorry.
Singapore, may dalawang
Mr. Emmanuel to assist our guests back to their lounge. And we'll be getting ready for the cosplay catwalk later. After the performance of one of our guest bands. Are you ready, guys? Ready? Okay, so we're all set to go. Let's give a warm welcome to MVP guys.